Have you ever wondered how web pages are created? How the digital world we interact with daily is built? The secret lies in a language that isn't spoken but written. It's called HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language used to build web pages. It's like the blueprint for a house, outlining where each piece of content should be placed. It's comprised of tags and elements that structure the content on a web page. These tags, enclosed in angle brackets such as R and AR, help define the structure and presentation of the content. HTML is designed for creating hypertext documents. This means you can include text, links, images, and many other elements that can be interconnected. This interconnectedness is what allows us to navigate between different pages and resources on the web with just a simple click. The primary concern of HTML is defining the structure and content of a web page. It's the language that specifies headings, paragraphs, lists, tables, forms, and other elements that make up the content of a web page. HTML is also designed to be rendered by web browsers. Modern browsers are generally compatible with HTML standards. This ensures that web pages created with HTML will be viewable on a multitude of devices and platforms, providing a seamless experience for users. HTML has evolved over time, with HTML5 being one of the most recent and widely used versions. HTML5 introduced new features and elements, such as improved multimedia support and the canvas element for graphics, enhancing the capabilities of web pages. While HTML defines the structure and content of a web page, it doesn't handle the visual presentation. That's where cascading style sheets, or CSS, comes into play. Used in conjunction with HTML, CSS controls the layout and design, allowing web developers to specify fonts, colors, spacing, and more. In addition to HTML and CSS, JavaScript is often used to add interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. JavaScript can be embedded in HTML documents to create responsive and interactive web applications. In summary, HTML is the foundation of the World Wide Web. It's essential for anyone involved in web development to have a good understanding of HTML to create and design web pages. With its markup language, hypertext capabilities, and its role in structuring and presenting content, HTML is the backbone of our online world. Paired with CSS for visual presentation and JavaScript for interactivity, HTML forms a crucial trinity in web development. So, the next time you click on a link or admire a well-designed website, remember, it all starts with HTML.